Welcome to your moment of calm. Your skin will feel smoother than ever. Stay with me. A tiny trick awaits. Let's begin your journey to ultimate smoothness. Breathe in and let go. This is your space of serenity. Every touch is gentle and intentional. Notice the soft textures and calming glow. This calm prepares your skin for what's next. We begin with cleansing. Removing impurities lets your skin breathe. Each circular motion gets your skin ready. Stay with me. Your skin will feel truly prepared. Now we hydrate. A soothing serum warms in my hands. Gently, I pat and spread it onto your skin. This locks in moisture for elastic comfort. Your wax will glide like silk. Relaxation is next. A gentle warmth surrounds you now. Soft steam caresses, opening your pores. Relaxing each follicle makes hair removal effortless. Later, I'll share a tiny tip for irritation. Feel the calm and anticipate the smoothness. Finally, a tender wipe leaves your skin soft. Notice the towel's gentle rustle beneath your fingers. Feel the smoothness, relaxed and glowing. Remember this feeling. It's your secret to calmness. Take it with you and enjoy the smoothness ahead.